What if I told you there's a travel trailer under 6,000 pounds that feels more like a luxury fifth wheel than a compact camper? Today on RVenture Life, we're taking a full tour of the all-new 2026 Brinkley IIX 20X, one of the most talked-about travel trailers on the market right now. It's compact enough for many half-ton trucks, packed with premium features, loaded with high-end construction upgrades, and built with a level of attention to detail that's hard to find in this size category. But there's one big question. Does this small luxury camper actually justify its premium price tag? Let's step outside, take a look around, and find out exactly what makes this travel trailer so special. Right away, the 2026 Brinkley IIX 20X makes a strong first impression. Even before stepping inside, you can tell this isn't your average travel trailer. One of the standout features is the premium Automotive-Grade aluminum exterior. It gives the trailer a sleek, upscale appearance while helping it stand apart from the typical fiberglass-sided campers found throughout this segment. The trailer also features advanced composite sidewall construction, designed for long-term durability and resistance to moisture issues. As we move toward the entry door, you'll notice thoughtful upgrades everywhere. The entry door includes a protective screen guard along with a built-in window shade, adding both convenience and durability. The entry steps feature a modern composite design with openings that allow dirt, sand, and debris to fall through instead of collecting on the steps. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference when you're camping regularly. Now let's take a quick look at the numbers. The Brinkley IIX 20X comes in with an unloaded weight of just under 5,900 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of nearly 1,500 pounds. With a hitch weight under 600 pounds, this trailer is positioned perfectly for many properly equipped half-ton trucks. For buyers looking for a luxury camper without jumping into larger tow vehicles, that's a major advantage. As soon as you walk through the door, the premium quality becomes immediately obvious. The first thing you'll notice is the clean, modern interior design. Bright cabinetry, residential styling, upscale materials, and exceptional craftsmanship all combine to create a space that feels much more expensive than its size suggests. One area where Brinkley really stands out is attention to detail. You won't find exposed fasteners, random staples, or unfinished trim pieces throughout the living area. Everything looks intentional, clean, and carefully assembled. Directly inside the entry is a large pantry featuring solid wood cabinet doors, soft close hinges, magnetic latches, and generous storage capacity. The bright white cabinetry helps the interior feel open and spacious while creating a modern residential look. The floor plan itself feels surprisingly roomy thanks to the wide-open central living area. Moving into the main living space, you'll find comfortable theater seating positioned directly across from the entertainment center. The seating features premium upholstery with custom stitching details that help elevate the overall appearance. Across from the recliners is a large television perfectly positioned for movie nights, relaxing after a day outdoors, or catching the big game while camping. The windows throughout the living area feature premium blackout shades with reflective backing. These shades help improve privacy while also reducing heat transfer during hot summer camping trips. Another thing you'll immediately notice is how much natural light fills this interior. The combination of large windows and bright finishes makes the trailer feel larger than its actual footprint. Above, the ducted climate control system keeps airflow evenly distributed throughout the coach. And that's important because this trailer comes equipped with a powerful 18,000 BTU air conditioning system. That's significantly more cooling capacity than many travel trailers in this size category. Whether you're camping in Arizona, Texas, Florida, or anywhere else experiencing extreme summer temperatures, that extra cooling power is definitely appreciated. Next to the seating area is a clever expandable dining solution. Instead of taking up permanent floor space, Brinkley uses a pull-out accordion-style dining table. When needed, it quickly creates a functional dining area. When you're finished, it slides away just as easily to maximize living space. It's one of those practical features that works especially well in a compact floor plan. Storage has also been incorporated into the surrounding cabinetry, helping maximize every available inch. Now let's move into the kitchen. And honestly, this is where the Brinkley starts separating itself from many competitors. The kitchen combines premium styling with functionality. Starting with the sink area, you'll find a beautiful residential-style faucet paired with a large charcoal-colored stainless sink. The dark sink contrasts perfectly against the lighter countertops and cabinetry. Above the sink, large windows provide great natural lighting while creating a more residential feel. Moving over to the cooking area, you'll find a 3-burner cooktop that looks far more upscale than what you typically see in smaller travel trailers. Above that is a convection microwave with air fryer functionality. This setup gives owners multiple cooking options without sacrificing valuable space. Storage throughout the kitchen is impressive. Upper cabinets, lower cabinets, drawers, pantry storage, and dedicated organizational spaces all contribute to making this a practical kitchen for extended trips. One detail that stands out is the quality of the drawer construction. The drawers feel solid, durable, and built for long-term use. Under the counter, there's even preparation for an optional dishwasher setup, something rarely seen in a travel trailer this size. Little touches like that reinforce the luxury positioning of this model. The refrigerator offers easy access from multiple directions, making food storage convenient regardless of where you're standing in the kitchen. Overall, this kitchen feels much more like something you'd expect in a larger luxury RV. Let's head into the bathroom. Again, Brinkley continues delivering premium upgrades. The bathroom uses a space-saving sliding door that helps maximize usable floor space. Inside, you'll find a residential-inspired design with upscale finishes throughout. One of the biggest highlights is the one-piece molded fiberglass shower. Many trailers in this segment still use multi-piece shower assemblies, but the one-piece design provides improved durability, easier maintenance, and a cleaner appearance. The shower includes an overhead skylight that adds extra headroom and natural light. An upgraded shower fixture, integrated lighting, and modern finishes complete the space. Next to the shower is a stylish vanity featuring a charcoal-colored sink, elegant faucet, large mirror, and additional storage. Now let's check out the sleeping area. This trailer uses a Murphy bed design, allowing it to maximize both daytime living space and nighttime comfort. During the day, the area functions as a comfortable sofa. At night, the bed quickly folds down to create a dedicated sleeping space. The transformation process is simple and easy to operate. What really stands out here is the mattress quality. Many Murphy bed campers sacrifice sleeping comfort. That doesn't appear to be the case here. The mattress feels thicker, softer, and more premium than what you'll find in many competing models. On both sides of the bed you'll find wardrobe storage, overhead cabinets, reading lights, charging options, and convenient bedside cubbies. Additional storage drawers beneath the sofa help maximize functionality. Everything feels thoughtfully designed for real-world camping. Back outside, let's take a look at some additional highlights. The front pass-through storage compartment offers excellent cargo space and easy access. The compartment includes durable flooring, lighting, battery disconnects, and organized utility connections. Up front, you'll find dual propane tanks along with a power tongue jack for easier hitching and setup. The trailer rides on upgraded suspension components designed to improve towing comfort and stability. This enhanced suspension system provides additional travel and helps smooth out rough roads. Premium wheels and quality tires complete the package. Along the campsite side, a large power awning provides plenty of shade and outdoor living space. The exterior also includes multiple power outlets, accessory mounting options, and extensive lighting. Around back, you'll find a ladder, backup camera prep, accessory receiver hitch, and convenient utility access points. One of the most impressive aspects of this trailer is its roof and ceiling system. Brinkley uses advanced sealing methods designed to reduce maintenance compared to traditional exterior sealants. That means fewer worries about cracking, discoloration, and frequent resealing. The roof also includes a factory solar package with 200 watts of solar capability already installed. Combined with the enclosed underbelly and cold weather protection features, this trailer is built to handle a wide variety of camping environments. Another nice touch is the enclosed plumbing design, helping protect water systems during cooler weather. These are features that many RV buyers specifically look for when planning longer adventures throughout the year. So, after seeing everything the 2026 Brinkley IIX 20X has to offer, what do you think? This trailer delivers premium construction, luxury finishes, advanced climate control, quality cabinetry, upgraded suspension, impressive storage solutions, and thoughtful design details throughout. Yes, it's positioned at the higher end of the market for a travel trailer this size. But when you look at the materials, craftsmanship, features, and overall execution, it's easy to see why so many RV enthusiasts are paying attention to this model. The real question is, would you spend extra for this level of quality in a compact travel trailer, or would you choose a larger camper for the same budget? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and join us again right here on RVenture Life for more RV tours, travel trailers, fifth wheels, and the latest RV industry walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.